Mic check, check,
Check, check, check, check, check, check.
check.
Cool.
Russian, what was it?
I don't remember.
What's the joke?
I had a Russian audio technician on one of my shoots, and a Czech one too. Yeah, it's been told once before. All right, so here we are.
All right. So I have to be serious.
Yep.
You're going to cut all this, right?
Maybe.
You often let this stuff roll.
Well, it depends on where the rhythm comes from. I don't know, when you start noodling around, it's... Go ahead.
All right. Hey guys, this is Chris and Jason. Steve is back in Hartsville. We are back from stage 3 of Moto Photo Adventures, and we need your help. You're not going to believe it. We're professional photographers. We should know better. We planned on backing up all of our data. Our computer died on us, and we had all kinds of electrical gremlins the entire trip. But on the last day, we lost one of our GoPros, and it has some epic footage of Cinnamon Pass. So we are imploring everyone out there in Moab to please keep their eyes open. Look for a GoPro on the side of the road, probably between
Jug Handle Arch and the Days Inn in Moab.
Which is the northern
section. The last
section.
time we saw it, I was rolling. You were rolling a time lapse, and you came back by me, and it was the last time we saw it was between there and there. So if you happen to be taking a selfie and you stub your toe on a GoPro 7, it might be ours. So if you could get the footage back to us.
We don't care about the GoPro. You can keep it as a prize.
So,
just please mail us the SD
So
card.
comment down below, or mail us a letter, or send us a carrier pigeon, or
an email works.
An email, a phone call. Smoke signals probably aren't effective right now because of the wildfires out in the west. SOS works, but who uses Morse code these days? You could come knock on my door at 2 a.m., but you'll wake up the house and my dog will go crazy, and I'll invite you in for tea, but that method generally is a 50-50 split on how effective it is. But I'll take it. So if you happen to see it,
CB radio?
CB radio is awesome, except I don't have one, so they'll probably be calling nobody. But I take any form of communication because it was, pretty much my fault.
Irregardless. We just want the micro SD card. It's a GoPro Hero 7.
In a waterproof case.
In one of those plastic-looking waterproof underwater kind of cases.
Attached to a ram arm.
Maybe.
It could go skidding down the road and into a ditch somewhere. So I'm hoping the rock climbers or the bicyclists or the joggers or the hikers will see it on the side of the road somewhere. And if you do,
please
it's mine.
Send it back. We would be so grateful.
Awesome. Thanks.